Alright, in this session we are going to look at inequalities. Alright, okay, look at these two questions here. These are two inequality situations. Okay, but most times when it comes to inequalities, people do common mistakes. Alright, so that mistake is what we are going to look at and try to identify the mediums on how to correct those mistakes. Alright, now look at this first one. It says minus 2x is greater than 4. Alright, it says minus 2x is greater than 4. Most times when people are faced with this type of inequality, some will tell you that you are supposed to divide both sides by minus 2. Of course, that's not wrong. Okay, so if you divide both sides by minus 2, you have x is greater than 4 upon minus 2. Okay, that's where people get it wrong. Alright, some will say this is the answer, but this is not the answer. Okay, in inequality situations, if it was an equation, alright, minus 2x is equals to 4, you do it this way and write equal to sign. But since it's not an equation, it's an inequality, what happens? The sign the sign must change. The greater than must change to less than. Alright? Yes, this sign must change. So now look at it. So if the best way to do this type of question, okay, this one is wrong. The best way to do it, okay, you have minus 2x greater than 4, right? Minus 2x greater than 4, right? So what happens? You divide both sides by minus 2, which we did here. Okay, which we did here. So going further, this will cancel this and you will now be left with what? X. Instead of x is greater than, okay, it now becomes x is less than 4 upon minus 2. Alright. So the common mistake lies with what? People maintaining the same sign. Alright. When it is inequality, you try to change. If it was less than, you change it to greater than. If it was greater than, you change it to less than. Alright. So this is the correct answer instead of this. Alright, so this is the correct answer to solve this type of question. Going further again to the second question, this one again, if it was an equation, we have an equal to sign here. We just divide both sides by 3 and x will be equals to what? 6 upon minus 3. But this is an inequality. Okay, so the best way to do this again, you will divide both sides by minus 3. Alright, going further, you will now have x because this will cancel this. Alright, so x, right, instead of less than, okay, it now becomes what? Greater than. X is greater than 6 all upon minus 3. Bye.